was during one of the exams that we were supposed to give, and especially I hate maths to a lot. I
Okay.
am dead against mathematics. So I was thinking about like what am I going to do in the school and everything. And on the way, like we found a puppy.
Okay.
So he had met with an accident, and nobody were like trying to help him out.
Okay.
So then we had to like see what we can do. And I didn't attend the exam that day anyway. I picked up the puppy and came home.
Okay. So,
So after coming home, then like right, exam day there is an animal coming home. Lot of things happened.
yeah.
So parents exchange like a little bit of war happened, and then like rest is history. Like I told, listen, I can't do all of this. So if at all something is happening in front of me, I am affected. So when I am affected, I can't do much. So I ended up treating the puppy, and he's still staying in my stray itself. So he
Okay.
must be around like 14 or 15 years now.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how we adopted. And then like slowly, I got interested into animals on the long run.
Okay.
So then again, we were like trying to like travel to a native, and on the way we found like someone killing a snake.
Oh.
So the moment we saw something like that happening, we couldn't like get back. So we were like, let's see what we can do. Even though we were like amateurs, we tried to help the snake, got into the safety, and then release him back. But this question always pondered me, like this is the first time. What are we going to do if something happens next?
Hmm.
So I got trained myself with the reptiles, and I have been handling snakes for a long time now. So wherever there is a rescue call, like they call us, and like if at all there is a real need, because today's day what is happening is nobody understands if a snake has to be removed from the area, or like should we let it go. So there are two ways to see at it. It's just that you are seeing the snake today, but snake has been in that area for a long time, right?
Correct.
So removing him from that area is not a practical solution,
Right.
because what is going to happen is once you remove the snake, there is a void that is open, which
Hmm.
means many more snakes will come into the territory. It's the same with the dogs. Do you see like some other stray dogs coming and occupying your street? No, right? So our dogs also will not let the other dogs come in. The same way, every other animal has their own territory. So maintaining that is very important. And then once I got into snakes, I got into birds as well. Birds fascinated me, and today I work full time with Bird Park.
Wow. Which one is this? Which is this bird?
So this is it based in Mumbai. It's called SL World Bird Park. This is India's first interactive bird park.
Wow.
So there we train birds for husbandry, medical, and everything. So we house around 600 birds.
Oh,
So I'm
so
a senior operations person there. You know what? There are not many people who want to work with animals. The reason being, they feel it is not highly like paying jobs, and other side they're very scared about their job. They don't know what the future holds. In fact, look at me. Like I'm a robotic engineer. I can make robots today to work for other machineries. But I choose to work with animals because animals are more better to work with, and I enjoy a strong bond with the animals. And I don't absolutely mind taking up the risk. Maybe like if India doesn't come up with something, we will come up with opportunities for people who are dedicated to work with animals, so that like we are like equally compatible, to the Western people. Western side, there is a lot of animal jobs that keep coming up, and that doesn't definitely come with a degree or anything. It is all pure passion.
right.
And today, if there are many organizations in India that are hiring people who are very passionate. They do not care about your degrees or where you are working, how much you are being paid or anything. That doesn't matter. Just the love for animals matter. When you have compassion, you have a lot of doors open to work with animals. So then coming up to the other topic, we have a lot of issues with snakes, right? I mean, there are snakes found everywhere in Bangalore. Many people get bitten wantingly because what they see in TV, like people catching snakes. Snakes are one of these animals that are very, very like scared of humans. You
Hmm.
might look at them and run away, but they will not even stand in front of you because they're more scarier than what you are scared about them from. So, like I would suggest, this is the season is coming up for the snake hatchling season, where you will find snakes everywhere in the city. There is not a single area in Bangalore where we can say there is no snake.
Yeah.
Snakes are everywhere. They're across all the gardens. But one thing that can help you out to like mitigate this is that keep your surroundings clean. When you keep the surroundings clean, snakes doesn't want to come there. They only come to hide out, and when there is a rodent growth happening in your area, that is when you find snakes around. I would
Absolutely.
also see, if at all you find someone like scared about snakes, educate them about like what are the consequences that might happen if the snakes are not there. Snakes are like a farmer's friend. If not for snakes, we'll have a lot of crops going into the vein. All the rodents will demolish them. And for an example, snake venom is used to like cure the snake bite as well. It goes to a lot of formulations and everything. Imagine if one day snakes are not in our surroundings, our future is doomed. Environment is not good. That is when snakes will not come and like to be around, right? So you need to be very, very vocal about like conserving snakes as well, and equally sharing space with them is very important.